Hello guys, good morning, it's me again, Ryan, and I'm back with a red day recap. Really sad day, but it's part of trading. We lose on some days, we win in most days, but yeah, what to do? I should have traded CCL. PLTR was tough. I really thought it's gonna break 25. As you can see here, I have a buy line here at 24.84, hoping for a 25 break and a pre-market high break and continue all the way to 28. So that was the plan. My plan is to go to this point. It's selling off for a few days. I thought this, since the gap up, I thought it's really going to break this 25 area here. And I thought it's really going to continue since, you know, PLTR is a good hype stock. But still, it was weak. I was just hovering around at this area here. I'm pretty sure, I don't know, depending on SPY, it's going to continue to 28. Trust me. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. So maybe it can just continue to go down, probably back to 16 or this area. So it's consolidating here, but we don't know what's gonna happen. Yeah, I was watching CCL too. Let's go. So look at that. What did I do? I took it long, stopped out, took it long again, and then stopped out here instead of here. So that was a loss. That's a bad loss. And I shorted it because it's in my short area, but I need a bigger move for me to recover. So I took some off, I added, I did not recover a lot in here. Took it long, one last try. I said one last try. Took it long, took some more. Finally did the one I want, 25, right? So I was like, okay, it's going. I added like full position, and my average is somewhere now at 84 area instead of here, because I added a full position again. Greedy, I thought it's gonna go, and then I stopped out. A little bit of a loss. So I gave back here a bit. So I recovered a bit. I said, okay, I can still trade. I recovered half of my losses. Should I trade? Yes, I did. And then look at that. I traded FOMO. This is FOMO. But I thought it's really gonna continue because there's like a, you know, like a higher highs here. Higher highs. I thought it's going to continue and break and go to high of pre-market, and then I stopped out. Das gave me a warning that you're kind of like, you know, at the point where you should be stopping trading. You want to trade more, because I can still trade more if I want. And I said, okay, maybe not. No, not this time, because I stopped out a few times. Don't want to do that. So there, and then it just eventually just waterfall to 23.30 area. Yeah, I was really tight here. My risk reward was really tight, like 25 cents. Yeah, it's stressing me out, but you know, that's how it works. What else? It's good I stopped out here. Imagine if I didn't stop, then it's just gonna be a big loss. Probably get stopped here and then eat up the loss. I'm really glad when I'm seeing an alert, I can just decide to get out. And then I decided not to trade. So CCL was great. CCL was in my list. Look at that. Short area here. If it holds 29, then it's gonna bounce, but I was mostly short bias here. That's why my red line is somewhere here instead of here. Normally my short is always at the bottom. Yeah, so, and then it was a good move. SKT was in my list. Short area here. If I buy here, or if it drops, I'll buy here for a long, and then, you know, sell it to 25, but it didn't really work. And I tried shorting it, it wasn't shortable. Yeah, so another problem with PLTR is it's the margin. It's not. You can only trade with your own equity cash. You can't borrow. I don't know why for this stock you can't borrow margin even for short. So which is good because I could have over traded for bigger size on this one. I could have added and added and added, right? But if I have that, I could have added more in here and recovered. But yeah, my buying power was not letting me do that. But you know, it's what, Thursday? Yeah, it's Thursday. Thinking maybe I should take a rest because I've been green for the past few days. It's killing me that this day will come, like the red day, and then I'll hook out and I'll just give back a lot of my profit. So that's the problem with day trading. Yeah, but yeah, it's fine. Just let's just watch my trade. But before everything else, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel and follow me in my social media accounts, and you know what to do. Hit that subscribe and let's watch. As you can see here, I was mainly watching what's this, socket. But it was shortable at first. I thought it wasn't shortable. See, you can still see S in here, so it was shortable. But nobody was shorting it yet since you know, it went up. So I traded PLTR. Let's go back a bit before we go back to that. Oops, sorry about that. Just keep doing that. So the first few minutes, PLTR had about what's this? Let's go here. Had about 2.5 million. 2.5 million volume. Range was 45 cents. I didn't know it's gonna move. Just chop. Who knows? We're here to just trade the open and just trade momentum. We're looking for momentum, but it didn't really happen. So next was CCL. Look at that, drop and recover, but I'm scared to trade that. Normally when it drops, it's going to continue to drop, like what happened to, I think it was, I can't remember which stock was it. It dropped and then I took it long and it just dropped heavy. So I'm scared of that pattern. When it dropped, it means there's a sign that it's really weak. So they sold their stock before it opened, and then they can probably sell more here. So I don't know, that's my theory. So socket moved about $1.37, no volume, as you can see here. So that's why we did not trade it. Everybody's probably just waiting. Yeah, so I traded, what's this, PLTR. So traded PLTR for a break of this 24.83. So it moved about 45 cents, right? So opening price is 24.85. Come on, PLTR, show up here. Yeah, so PLTR, so that was the opening price. It sells off, pretty good volume, but it recovered. See that wick? It recovered. It's just within this area, right? So this is a really good 1 minute orb. So it sells off within this area. It's above VWAP. It's above the sell short area, and it's just within my long area. So that's just a level that I will want to kind of like take it long for a break of 25, break of higher pre-market. So I took it long. As you can see, it's 50 cents here, but I only need 25 cents to make a 1-to-1 trade. Come on. Stopped out, entered again. Even added. Oh, I added there. It was a heavy size. That's why. And then I stopped out. Oh, I see. Okay, now I know why my realize was a lot So at this point, so that was how much, 25 cents moves. So that's why. So I told you earlier, my risk is just 25 cents, right? I can't take any more than that. I'm getting a lot more riskier nowadays. Before, I don't normally add, but since, you know, we're kind of gaining confidence, we're now adding. So our risk was just 50 cents, but since I added, so we only have 25-cent risk. Stopped out there. I said, oh, why is my realize a lot since I stopped out here? Okay, because I added there 3 times. I really thought it's gonna continue, so I shorted it here. Not a big size since I was scared, and took some off. I was just a small profit. I said I'm gonna add. Stop was somewhere here. I said, okay, maybe it's really gonna continue to go back, so I decided to just flip it to long. One last try for another break of 24.84. Heavy size as well. Come on, I need 25 for me to recover. Come on, 28.84, break that 28.84. I just need that. I was confident it's gonna go. I took some more off in there. I should have added here instead. Oh man, look at that. So that was the 25 I was hoping for. I should have taken all my shares in there. I could have made a break-even trade. It could have been a break-even day if I've taken all, but I did not. I was greedy. I said it's gonna go to 25.25. I thought it's really gonna hold 28.84. So that's my new average now, somewhere here at this area, and I stopped out for a loss again. So I said, okay, I can still trade one more time. I'm having FOMO at this point. Add it there. Come on. And I said, okay, that's if this doesn't work, I'm just gonna stop out. There. So that's even reminded me to just stop, and then I just decided to stop. Like, that was my stop area. 24.75. Thank you, Das, for reminding me. My alert. So yeah, what did I do after? I just watched it to waterfall and go without me. I could have shorted it here instead. But the thing is, with PLTR, you can't borrow, like, you can only trade your equity for this one. You can only trade your equity. You can't use your buying power for this one. For me, in my case, that's how it is. I don't know why. Let's I'll calculate in a bit. So let's say for PLTR, yeah, so I can only trade with my equity at this stock, so I can't really use my buying power, which I don't know why. Is it the same for you guys? Let me know. So I can't use my, I think for IB it's 3 times 3 for margin, times 3 let you borrow times 3 of your account. But for this one, yeah. So I was trying it here. I said, okay, it looks like the margin, it says it here when you click this, it will show up. Man, look at that short. That was really long buys, really long buys at this stock, but it just didn't work. Market is probably really weak. Let's look at the other stocks. And look at that. And then it recovered back. Like, how how? See, like, how is that possible? And it covered back, and now it's back here, right at the opening price. That's insane. It's really like, yeah, it's, you don't really know what's gonna happen in the market sometimes. Like, sells off. Normally when it sells off, it's just gonna stay here below VWAP and then just continue, just hover around here. But it's like, it's recovered heavy. Yeah, I think trading the open nowadays is kind of tough. I don't know, maybe we should wait for a bit. But the thing is, I have a day job. I can only trade the open, like first 30 minutes to 1 hour. So maybe trade smaller size. Yeah, missed that big move. We'll see. We'll eventually get there again. Maybe, I don't know, it's gonna give me another red day tomorrow. I'll be scared, but yeah, we'll see. Have a good day, everyone. Stay safe, and you know what to do. Thank you for watching. You know what to do. Subscribe for daily updates and follow me in my social media accounts. It was you know, but we need to kind of learn how to accept a red day when it's happening. We don't want to hulk out again. I've learned a lot from my past. Like when these things happen, I will probably try to recover and overtrade and not let it go. All right. Have a good day. Stay safe and bye.